Howdy. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your Yamaha turd into a nice polished Yamaha turd. Just picked this one up off Facebook Marketplace. Going to be selling it here shortly. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to go to Home Depot, Lowe's, pick up one of these right here. See how this plastic is all faded? This happens a lot to these older Yamahas. People let them sit in the sun, and then they get all faded and oxidized like this. So, quick way to make it look like new. Just barely go over it. Almost as if you're painting it. Pretty satisfying to do, honestly. And it lasts. This also works for stressed plastics, like right there. People roll them over, flip them, and the plastic gets white like that. Yeah, just go over it like this. You can see I've already done this side right here, so you can see the contrast. It works all over, so even parts like this black plastic, you can see the difference right there. And it makes it look brand new again. So yeah, bought this for $1,400 and doesn't need anything, but just simply by doing this, should be able to sell it for around $2,000, maybe $2,100. So nice little process. That's an update from Marius Squarius. I know I've had quite the hiatus, but I think you guys will enjoy this one.